Today in front of me I have OPPO A17, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app. At the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera app to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can just go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. Here, first of all, get rid of this dialog window by deciding whether you would like to provide Opera with the notifications access or allow it to send you notifications. I'll deny this, then continue, then decide if you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. I'll skip this step. Then on this final page you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.